Welcome to our first annual festive favorites with me, your host, Chelsea. I thought it would be fun to share my seasonal favorites with you because I am a self-proclaimed queen of Christmas, and yes, I do share that title with Mariah. For the most magical and festive lifestyle tips, I really do hope that you will consider subscribing here. We come out with new videos every Monday at 3 p.m. and there will be Christmas holiday bonus drops all throughout December. Be sure to hit the notification bell as well so that you can be aware when you get these new videos. So this video was actually not a planned part of December, but because I've been posting so much to Instagram stories and TikTok about my festive faves, every time I do, I get questions about where can you find these products with links. So I thought I could just do like a roundup here, which also means that everything I talk about today will be listed in the description box below. We're still so early into December, so you have time to grab all of these and make them faves for the season in your home as well. We're going to start off with some beauty items, and the first, you might not think of as a beauty item, but it is toothpaste. I wish Native would actually sponsor me because there are two Native products in today's faves, but the first one is Native Peppermint Candy Cane Whitening Toothpaste. Now, if you've been here for a while, you know that I am somewhat of a fanatic about white teeth. If you can do it with peppermint flavor, with candy cane flavor, I did use this last year, so this box is new for the season, and I got mine at Target. I'm really excited to brush my teeth. If you've been here for the past few holiday videos, specifically the Elf on the Shelf, thank you. And you'll notice that I am still wearing red lipstick for the holiday season, but you'll recall the fact that I had to refilm an entire video because I had lipstick all over my teeth. So I've really been on the hunt for like a good combo, and I think I have found it. During the Sephora VIB sale, I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury lip kit, which had 4 mini bullets in it, this being one of them. This is in the color Red Carpet Red. I have this on my lips right now, and I really like these mini bullets. It was $45 for all 4 of them, but I do actually think I'll go through these, and I think the other 3 are some version of Pillow Talk. So I have this as the base, and then on top I have this Burberry lip gloss, which I crack out every holiday season. And this is in the shade Poppy Red. So I'm testing out a lip liner that goes with this combination for videos and for possibly like Christmas Eve. It's not here because it's not a festive favorite just yet, but this combo has been awesome, and it doesn't get all over my teeth, but it still allows for some like slip and gloss because I'm not a matte lip kind of gal. To nourish my lippies, I've been using the Laneige lip mask in Peppermint. I always love a Laneige lip mask, and I think I have the like basic peach one that everyone on earth has, but this one came with this tiny little applicator, and I actually use it. I don't put my fingers inside the lip treatment because, you know, germs. It's just, it's white on the inside, and there's some glitter because that's life. We are just a sprinkle of glitter. So between the teeth brushing, the wearing the red lipstick, the lip treatment, I wanna make sure that my teeth are staying extra white, especially during the holiday season. And if you've been here for a bit and you watched some of my summer glow up videos, then you probably know what's coming. I talk about this on Instagram all the time. It is my Brytn teeth whitening system. Now these puppies are on sale right now for 50% off if there are still any left, because they're doing like a clear out. So this kit, and I will link that video above so you can see me using it, but this kit comes with a rechargeable battery, the actual teeth whitening device, oops, which I've just turned on, and 3 whitening gel pens. So the idea is you put the pen all over your teeth, then you pop this in. There are 2 different settings. One is for teeth whitening, one is for antibacterial, and the total setting is 25 minutes, and you just let it do its job. This is incredible if you have truly sensitive teeth like I do. I don't get any numbness or tingling or pain from this system. It is worth every single penny. It's easy to use, which means I actually do use it, and then the results last for like 6 months to a year. So I did this last, I believe, between summer and my birthday, and then I'll do it now for the next like 5 to 10 days and be ready for Christmas. I will make sure that I leave this link with the discount code below. Who doesn't want to have sparkly white teeth in their holiday photos? And while we're on hygiene for just a moment, I just want to give a shout out to this festive fave, which I am almost out of, and I think I'm gonna have to order it off the Native website. This is Real Life Friends. Look, this is how much of this deodorant I actually have left. Yes, this is a peppermint candy cane deodorant in case you want your armpitties to smell festive too. It is native, which means that there is no aluminum. It's a natural deodorant. It can take your body some time to adjust to a natural deodorant if you're coming off of a non-natural one. But I have been wearing native deodorants for years. I love that they come out with themed scents. Right now there's also a sugar cookie scent, but I just can't get down with like my armpits smelling like vanilla, like a warm vanilla. I feel like that would be bad for my body chemistry. So candy cane peppermint it is. I will link it below. You're welcome. I might have a slight mug addiction. Can you comment below if I'm the only one? Please tell me I'm not. I found this little beauty at Target for $5. I absolutely love him. I do pick up new mugs every season. I love how wide this handle is. He is displayed on our cocoa bar, but I just love him. I think he's so cute. You will be seeing him all over Instagram, full of hot cocoa and whipped cream. There's just nothing better at Christmas to me than like cozying up with something warm in an adorable mug with a Christmas movie on and some of your favorite holiday scented candles. That's truly Christmas to me. This little beauty is copper on the outside. I have started burning it. This is called the Evergreen Candle, and I'll link it below. It's from Arhaus, A-R-H-A-U-S, and I did get this in my FabFitFun box, but I know they sell them separately, so I absolutely love this. It's like that subtle Christmas tree smell. I'm not great at describing scents, but the only true scent I like at Christmas time for candles is like balsam fir. So I want my house to smell like a fresh Christmas tree all the time. This one is also Christmas tree scented, but it's not as good as this one. Let's talk a festive experience that everyone can have. I know towns and different areas of the world do different things for the Christmas season. However, this Santa's Club experience is virtual. Callie absolutely loved meeting Santa on a screen and getting to tell him what she wanted. I filled out a form ahead of time so that he knew about her. This was a 5 to 10 minute experience, one-on-one, just with Santa and Callie. And of course I was there too because I knew she'd be a little nervous. And they sent her a personalized invitation. They send like a slap bracelet that's supposed to be your entrance bracelet. It was such a special evening to be able to do this with Santa's Club. I will link the discount. I think it's $12 off below for you if you choose to do a Santa's Club visit, but I would not wait on this. If you're going to do it, it's something you're going to want to sign up for relatively immediately just because spots are filling up. Just so special. This has definitely become one of our new festive annual favorite traditions. Something else I am absolutely loving this season are magnetic false lashes. So I know that these hit the market a while ago, and some of them have like that eyeliner that you can attach the eyelashes to. I like the ones that actually attach to each other. I wear them in almost every single video. I wear them for Halloween. I have been wearing, these are the Ardell magnetic accents, and it's just 001. I absolutely love them. They were like $13. These do come with an applicator that I think is actually very hard to use, so I just use my fingers. I look down, I place the top lash where I want it to go, and then I just like clip the bottom lash to it. You can easily pull these off without harming your actual eyelashes. I just absolutely love these. I feel like they're fun and festive without being like over the top. And while I love eyelash extensions, I absolutely love them, they damage the heck out of my actual lashes, and I'm on the curly girl journey. I'm on a health journey. I'm not trying to damage anything natural on my body. So we're keeping the lashes healthy, but we're also adding a little zhuzh with these. Let's talk about something that every single adult, yes, you included watching this right now, mama, needs during the holiday season, and that is restful sleep. So for a really long time after my weight loss surgery, I was not allowed to use melatonin. So I did switch to a CBD tincture, an oil tincture, which I will put a picture up on the screen here, from a company called Calm by Wellness. My surgeon actually did watch some of my weight loss videos, and then he reached out to me to say, okay, so you can take melatonin, but it needs to be in under 5 milligram amounts. So I didn't want to start taking melatonin capsules again, because the ones that I have, at least locally, are 5 milligrams individually. And when I was taking it before, I kept creeping up in dosage until I got to 10, and then I felt like I needed to take them. It became a thing. So I'm trying to keep my melatonin intake as little as possible. Calm by Wellness reached out and said, we have Sleep Well gummies that are CBD based, but also have 2 milligrams of melatonin in them, so that you're not going to exceed your 5 milligrams. If I'm having a hard time going to sleep, I take 2 of these and I just feel peaceful and sleepy, and it puts me to sleep through the night. This does so much more for me than melatonin ever did. So I'm going to link these below. You can use these, of course, any time of year, but I'm finding that the busier I am, sometimes the harder it is for me to sleep. And these are natural. They don't mess with anything else in my system. I'm a big CBD believer in skincare, but also in the wellness of my body. And I just absolutely love these. So if you are, these would also be an incredible gift for someone you know if they're having a hard time with anxiety, depression, or sleep. These would be a fantastic option. The last thing I want to talk about today are, of course, Bauble Bar Earrings. Now again, I wish that Bauble Bar would sponsor me, but their holiday collection at Target, you guys, are we serious? These are $12.99 each. We've got champagne bottles. We've got the Nutcrackers. We've got Santa, of course, because how can you have a holiday without a jingle jangly Santa? And we've got lights. I love these too. Oh, these would be cute with this sweater. So really big fan. Run to this collection. There are so many more that I'm not even sharing, but these are the 4 that I have purchased. I hope you have enjoyed my festive favorites, at least our first annual edition. If you like this video, will you please give it a thumbs up? I love you so much. I hope you are having a festive, a magical, a holly jolly week. And we will see you very soon, like very soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Bye, everybody. We are going to start at the mouth today, which, okay, that's the weirdest way ever to say that.